Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist and your guide through beautiful worlds of 3D design in Blender. In this class, we are learning together how to create simple totems. We're making first steps in modeling using mirror modifier, extruding, insetting, loop cutting. You will also learn how to create and use multiple materials in one object in Blender. For this class, you don't need previous experience in Blender or any other 3D software. Just download Blender, install, and you're ready to begin. We start right from splash screen and I will explain every step. After going through this class, you will gain confidence in modeling simple objects. You will understand how mirroring works in Blender on all three axes and all possibilities that modifier offers. What you learn in this class will save you a lot of time when you need to model symmetrical objects, as well as some colorful objects or objects where you need to apply multiple materials. Gain knowledge you can later use on your more complex projects. This is just simplified object, simplified totem that will help you explore mirroring and all those ways to model and to understand how to mirror everything using all those axes. Let's begin this journey.